Number 7, life is about right now in this very moment. Not tomorrow, not yesterday but now. Live it. Number 8, having a great dream and belief in yourself is great, but nothing happens until you take action. Number 9, your words are simply the thoughts of yours that will become things the soonest. Number 10, refuse to be defined by someone else's vision of what's possible. Number 11, in all moments, for all reasons love completely. Number 12, if we aim high and fall short, we still achieve more than by aiming low and falling short. Number 13, may you recognize the passion and the possibility in your day-to-day and have the courage to follow it. Number 14, in every moment, for every reason choose love. Number 15, set your goals high and do something every day to move forward. 365 daily quotes for inspired living. Number 16, when was the last time worry ever solved a problem? Breathe and know that you are perfect in this moment. Number 17, limitations seem real when we lack faith and belief. With faith and belief, anything is possible. Number 18, today, be the person of your dreams. See and act from their eyes. Number 19, praise is one of the best, yet inexpensive gifts we can give to others. Number 20, air is nothing more important in the world than loving yourself. Number 21, in times of turmoil, it matters not that we forgot we are infinite, unlimited beings. What matters most, is how quickly we remember. Number 22, most times, regrets are things we didn't do, not those we did. Number 23, take the time today to be good to you, in thoughts, deeds and actions, but especially in your thoughts. Number 24, remember, perspective can cause two people to look at the same thing and see two totally different things. Number 25, every good thing you do creates ripples that you may not see. Do them anyway. Number 26, for today, think positive thoughts, believe in yourself and others, share hugs and spread love. That's it, nothing else. Number 27, everything starts from gratitude. Everything. From there, all else lines up for you. Number 28, life is more meaningful when our goal is fulfillment rather than gratification. Number 29, focus on the why of life and not the how, remembering that where focus goes, energy flows. 365 daily quotes for inspired living. Number 30, change your thoughts and you'll change your world. Number 31, collaboration and cooperation will beat competition every time. Think abundantly. Speak authentically. Serve willingly. You have enough. You are enough. Number 32, nothing has the power to radically change a life more than an attitude adjustment. Number 33, the fastest way to get unstuck is to go do something for someone else. Number 34, success comes to those who are too naive to know that what they're trying to do is impossible. Number 35, sometimes the greatest gift you can give another is to ask for help. There is pleasure in giving. Number 36, true wealth is celebrating the present moment. Number 37, you can summit the biggest mountain by simply taking the first step. Number 38, either way you're going over the ledge. So why not jump now so God doesn't have to push you? Your wings are beautiful. Number 39, to achieve your dream, see the world as you want it to be, not as it may appear to be. Number 40, we make room for love when we first invite understanding into our hearts. Number 41, the greatest limitations in life are the ones we place on ourselves. Number 42, as you close your eyes tonight, may you know how blessed you are and celebrate with gratitude. Number 43, remember, you are an infinite being and deserve a day filled with unlimited potential. Number 44, start with your beliefs, which will lead your thoughts, which will create your actions, which will produce your results. 365 daily quotes for inspired living. Number 45, change requires you to see your identity of who you are. Number 46, when we focus on what we can do instead of what we can't, a world of possibility opens unto us. Number 47, adversity can be turned to opportunity simply by adjusting our perception and our attitude. Number 48, play and don't take yourself or the world so seriously. Create reasons to laugh. Number 49, challenging people are in your life for a reason, love them. Number 50, never underestimate the power of an unlimited being you. Number 51, take time each day to connect to the divine. Trust that there is a plan even if you only see a fraction of it. Number 52, the fastest way to get to the life you want is to just play make-believe that you already have it today. Number 53, integrity is holding fast to our convictions regardless of the consequences and never compromising our ideals or values, even if it ekes the bottom line. Number 54, for the next moment, allow yourself to be a human being rather than a human doing. Do nothing, just be. Number 55, if you have to doubt something, let it be your own perceived limitations. Expand, stretch and believe. Number 56, when you start your day with gratitude, everything falls into place with grace and ease. Number 57, go make your life the one you have always wanted, knowing you have the power to make it happen. Number 58, music of success is sweetest when you play in a band of winners. Surround yourself with excellence. 365 daily quotes for inspired living. Number 59, with the right attitude anything is possible. Number 60, action is the step many forget when they wonder what happened to their dream. Number 61, your expectations for any given situation will greatly influence the end result. Number 62, in this very moment you hold the power to change someone else's life for the better. Go do it. Number 63, change your beliefs and you'll change your thoughts. Change your thoughts and you'll change your habits. Change your habits and your life opens to unlimited possibility. Number 64, giving is the reason for living. Number 65, above all else, be true to you. Number 66, allow adversity to be your teacher. Number 67, find people who believe in you until you can believe in yourself. Number 68, the more clear you are in the vision of what you want in life, the brighter the spotlight will be to lead you on the right path. Number 69, we owe and learn too late that we spent too much time worrying about the things that mattered least. Number 70, chances are, when you fall asleep with a prayer of gratitude on your lips, you'll wake with a song of joy in your heart. Number 71, fear less, hope more, eat less, chew more, whine less, breath more, talk less, say more, hate less, love more, and all good things shall be yours. Number 72, abundance flows more freely to you when it continues to flow outward from you, as you pass it on. Number 73, don't let your fear of the hazards keep your ship in the harbor. Cast your lines and sail away. 365 daily quotes for inspired living. Number 74, if you can't change the circumstances, change your attitude. Funny thing is, when you do, you'll find that the circumstances change. Number 75, size matters, so keep your dreams big and your worries small. Number 76, know that deep inside, you are resilient, brave, and so much stronger and more powerful than your fears. Number 77, beyond words, beyond actions, beyond feelings, know in your core that you are loved. Number 78, we can get so much further in life through collaboration rather than competition. 1 + 1 = 11, not 2. Number 79, problems do not define who you are unless you allow them to. Remember your magnificence. Number 80, to improve what shows up in the exterior of your world, first, be still and improve the interior. Number 81, shortest path to success, focus on the what and the why, not the how. Works every time. Number 82, your actions, thoughts, and words today are but seeds for tomorrow's garden. Number 83, no matter what the past may look like, Without our permission, our yesterday does not have the power to determine our tomorrow. Number 84, when we celebrate in advance, things have a way of lining up for us more quickly. Number 85, when we look for the good and expect it to show up, we'll always find it. Number 86, if we knew how loved, how divine, how unlimited we really are, we'd see one another through tears of joy. Number 87, at the end of life we're going to ask, did I live? Did I love? Ask it now. Clock is ticking, you'd better start living. 365 Daily Quotes for Inspired Living. Number 88, can't isn't a word. You have the power to do, be, or create anything. Number 89, if you wait for everything to be perfect before taking action on your dream, you'll never take the first step. Number 90, when we change our beliefs on the inside, we will transform our results on our outside world. Number 91, it's impossible to be of service to others and feel sorry for yourself. Choose one. Number 92, if we allow our definition of what's possible to be based on how big someone else can dream, our dream will die. Number 93, gratitude must be part magic, for when I fill my heart with gratitude, anything is possible. Number 94, for the next moment, allow yourself to be a human being rather than a human doing. Number 95, when you focus on faith rather than fear, you tap into a strength to carry you over even the tallest of mountains. Number 96, power to change the world starts with us first changing our belief and ourselves. Number 97, our dreams have no limitations except those that we place on them. Number 98, each day take the time to reconnect and remember, you are an infinite being with unlimited potential. Number 99, treat all others as if the entire world were watching your actions. Number 100, ask, give thanks, repeat. Ask, give thanks, repeat. Number 101, abundance isn't something that you have, it's who you already are. Number 102, adversity could be the greatest GI in our life, in retrospect. 365 Daily Quotes for Inspired Living. Number 103, push yourself to do one thing outside your comfort zone today. Number 104, a decision is nothing more than a choice to eliminate other options and follow your path with determination. Number 105, we imagine the worst. If you're going to use your imagination, imagine good things happening. Number 106, choose to love with all your heart, even if it sometimes breaks. Number 107, we're only here to learn to love. Number 108, what's happening on the outside doesn't have the power to eat what's happening on the inside, unless we allow it to. Number 109, when universal timing and our timing are different, that doesn't mean that things aren't working. Trust the process. Number 110, what other people think about you isn't about you. It's about them. Number 111, may you be blessed with thoughts and opportunities and take action that will create abundance in your life. Number 112, your thoughts become things. You decide. You rule. That's pretty cool. Number 113, beating yourself up doesn't benefit anyone. Focus on what you choose to create instead. Number 114, being kind to you is really being kind to me, for we are but individual parts of the same whole. Number 115, illusions can appear real but we get to choose whether or not to buy into them. Number 116, when we learn to find the blessing in any situation, we've mastered this journey called life. 365 Daily Quotes for Inspired Living. Number 117, what would you do if you knew that your wildest dreams could come true and that you couldn't fail? Number 118, imperfect action is better than perfect inaction. Number 119, with belief and action all things are possible. Number 120, sometimes the fastest way to reach your dream is to help someone else reach his or her dream. Number 121, If you don't ask for what you want, the answer is already no. Why not ask, and maybe the answer will be yes. Number 122, E2 most powerful words in any language. Anq. Number 123, realize that you have the power to do, be, or create anything in your life. Anything. Number 124, nobody's perfect. We all fall down. What matters most is how quickly we get back up, learn from our mistakes and move on. Number 125, you can't worry yourself out of a bad situation, but you can believe yourself out of it. Number 126, how we see ourselves determines how we see the world. Number 127, gratitude, kindness, and caring are more powerful than any problem you think you have. Number 128, life works better when we go with the flow rather than fight the current. Number 129, love is letting others know how much you appreciate them. Number 130, forget early, there are enough worms for all of us. Number 131, adversity forces us to focus on things we need to learn. 365 daily quotes for inspired living. Number 132, we can't choose the number of our age, but we can choose the age of our attitude. Number 133, change is inevitable and those who adapt quickly are most likely to succeed. Number 134, worry is the number one thief of our time and has the power to rob you of beauty of today. Number 135, live well, laugh on, love deeply. Number 136, with laughter or love, the more you give the more you'll receive. Number 137, sometimes we may forget who we are. But what matters most is how quickly we remember our magnificence. Number 138, when you surround yourself with people who support your dreams, you will achieve success more quickly. Number 139, you will go through pain in your life, but how you choose to respond to it is your choice. Number 140, even the largest of fires starts from a tiny spark. That same potential is within you, so set your dreams on fire. Number 141, laughter is not only contagious, but is experienced in a deeper way when it is shared. Number 142, life is magical when we are bold and have the courage to move forward into the unknown, rather than backwards into security. Number 143, kindness is God's reminder that we see through our eyes but connect through our hearts. Number 144, realize that what's happening around you doesn't define who you are. Number 145, instead of cursing the darkness, be the one to light a candle. Number 146, change your attitude to I'll see it when I believe it - not the other way around. 365 daily quotes for inspired living. Number 147, pain may be inevitable but remember, swearing is optional. Number 148, you are divine energy in human form, you are only as limited as your thoughts. Number 149, make your life a garden where you plant seeds of possibility and water them with gratitude. Number 150, you are an unlimited being filled with infinite possibility with the power to be, do, or create anything that you desire in your life. Number 151, the best thing about a hug is that when you give one away you still have an endless supply. Number 152, just as in nature where the antidote and the poison grow side by side, you'll never be given a dream without the ability to make it happen. Number 153, success looks at adversity as a step to something greater, not a wall to stop progress. Number 154, choose consciously and wisely. You are only one choice away from changing your world. Number 155, nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood. Number 156, one of the amazing things about this chess game called life, is that we get to choose if we want to be the chess master or the pawn. Number 157, even if life is a bumpy road or your dreams are taking a circuitous route, Take time to live in the moment and enjoy the scenery along the way. Number 158, someone in the world is better today because of something you've done. Number 159, know that there is enough for all of us, enough money, enough opportunity, enough love for all of us to be happy. Number 160, adversity happens to everyone and it is not an excuse for abandoning our dreams. 13,365 Daily Quotes for Inspired Living. Number 161, we may not choose our circumstances but we do choose our attitude and our response. Number 162, make a choice. Change your thoughts equals change your world. Number 163, we make the greatest difference in the world when we find a cause that's bigger than our fears and step forward with faith. Number 164, love eradicates fear like light dispels darkness, so shine your love on the world. Number 165, each day, do your best and let go of the rest. Number 166, you are not the troubles that happen to you. You are magnificence unfolding. Allow it to happen. Number 167, life works best when we focus on where we're going rather than where we've been. Number 168, number one way to improve your life is through the conscious practice of gratitude. Number 169, on your deathbed, regrets are usually of things you didn't do, not things you did. So, go do it. Number 170, adversity is the universe's way of directing us down a different path. Number 171, happiness and love are choices that we get to make in each and every moment. Number 172, let your thoughts and actions come only from a place of love. Number 173, if you've hit a wall or the door has closed, keep looking until you find the window, for there's always a solution. Number 174, when the dream is big enough, we find the motivation to get through the tough times. Number 175, give to others with no expectation of receiving anything in return. Number 176, all people have adversity. What separates the good from the great is how we choose to react to it. 14,365 Daily Quotes for Inspired Living. Number 177, blessings happen more frequently when we take the time to notice them. Number 178, quality of your life will be in direct proportion to the level of your gratitude. Number 179, be not afraid to surrender your beliefs on how things should be, to the greater will of the universe. Number 180, love is all there is. Number 181, you were born an infinite being with unlimited potential and you still are that magnificence. Number 182, you can only do one thing at any time: dream, plan or worry. Kinda makes worry a silly third choice, no. Number 183, sometimes the only change we need is a change in how we see the world. Number 184, more forward with confidence, knowing in the core of your being that you have the power to achieve your dreams. Number 185, when the purpose is big enough, we find the courage to move mountains. Number 186, take love with you in all things that you do and leave only ripples of kindness behind you. Number 187, today, please share appreciation, spread the love and happiness and watch what happens. Number 188, just as the birds receive what they need each day, live your life knowing that abundance is already yours. Number 189, adversity provides the opportunity for the best part of us to shine. Number 190, when you accept that you're exactly where you're supposed to be in this moment and that you have all that you need, miracles happen. 15,365 Daily Quotes for Inspired Living. Number 191, take responsibility for your actions and inactions, realizing that at all times, you get to choose how to act or react. Number 192, inspiration is the rocket fuel that makes ordinary days extraordinary. Number 193, love everyone. Life is just too short for anything else. Number 194, live in the present. It's the only thing that truly exists. Never look back unless you are planning to go that way. Number 195, all things are possible if you never give up. Number 196, don't put until tomorrow that which you can enjoy today. Number 197, challenge is nothing more than a seed of opportunity. Number 198, play big, make it fun or don't play at all. Might as well make it worth the effort, no. Number 199, there are few things in life that can't be solved by a bubble bath. Number 200, dream big and make life fun. Do something outrageous each day. Follow your passion. Believe in yourself. Number 201, love is the answer to any of your questions today. Just start there first and watch magic unfold. Number 202, just because no one's ever done it before doesn't mean it's impossible. Go for it. Number 203, knowing that what we focus on grows, count your blessings instead of your problems. Number 204, feeling stuck. The best way to get unstuck is to go do something for someone else. Number 205, lie purposefully. Give abundantly. Love unconditionally. Hug joyfully. Celebrate gratefully. 16365 Daily Quotes for Inspired Living. Number 206, happiness is found in your heart, not in your circumstances. Number 207, when your burning desire for success is greater than your deepest fear of failure, you can create anything in your life. Number 208, no one deserves loving kindness today more than you do. Number 209, tomorrow, when you are a beautiful butterfly, it will be hard to remember your days as a caterpillar. Number 210, even enlightened people have problems. The only difference is in their reaction to them. Number 211, we do have a choice in everything, every day even when it appears that we don't. Number 212, what you get from life will be in direct proportion to what you give to life. Number 213, you cannot discover new lands unless you take your ship out of the harbor. Sail on, brave one. Number 214, appreciate where you've been, anticipate where you're going, but most importantly, cherish where you are in this moment. Number 215, laugh more plus love more equals live a longer, healthier and happier life. Number 216, once you understand that abundance is there for everyone, life gets much easier. Number 217, if you're going through a rough time, the universe just might be preparing you for something greater. Number 218, your worst day may be someone else's best day. It's all perspective. How we see ourselves changes how we see the world. Number 219, false beliefs we have in our heads are our only cause of unhappiness. Change our thought, change our world. 17365 Daily Quotes for Inspired Living. Number 220, know that the real GI you give isn't the present, it's your presence. Number 221, love's the only road to travel. Number 222, serendipity happens to us all every day. The key to the frequency and importance is simple, pay attention. Number 223, even if you don't know how to complete a project, just take the first step. There is power in action. Number 224, everything happens for a reason, even if you don't understand it in the moment. Number 225, rather than fighting the wind, it's much easier to trim the sails. Number 226, may you be safe, may you be happy, may you be healthy, may you live with ease and know that you are loved. Number 227, do something today that makes you grow. Stretch your boundaries and reach outside of the box. Number 228, every day, dream and be inspired. Read a good story, sing a song, Play in nature and share love. Number 229, first step to loving someone is understanding who they are. Listen with your heart. Number 230, what's possible for you in your life? Ask. Trust. Infinite possibilities are born of faith. Number 231, happiness is a choice that you get to make. Number 232, nothing can dissipate adversity faster than changing your focus. Number 233, life is richer when we celebrate our successes rather than focusing on our failures. Number 234, for all that you do, and all that you are, no one deserves loving kindness today more than you do. 18,365 Daily Quotes for Inspired Living. Number 235, the only way to bring something into your life is to first believe that it's possible, for without vision and belief, nothing happens. Number 236, no matter the question, love is always the answer. Start there first and watch magic unfold. Number 237, you only lose when you give up. Number 238, go with the flow and be willing to allow change into your life, for change is the only thing that's constant. Number 239, the more you worry, the less you dream. Choose to dream. Number 240, focus on what you do have instead of what you don't. Number 241, anything is possible. The most audacious dreams can be realized, by intention, preparation, action and unwavering belief. Number 242, there is greater value in implementation than in simply having an idea. Make it happen. Number 243, a single candle can light the way for the masses. Today, shine brightly. Number 244, thinking that we have to create abundance is like thinking we have to create sunshine. We are abundance. Number 245, problem is not that there are problems. Problem is expecting otherwise and thinking that having problems is a problem. Number 246, belief, not worry, is the only way out of a bad situation. Number 247, what we choose to do in each moment defines where we're going in our life. Number 248, live to give and give to life. Giving is the reason for living. 19,365 Daily Quotes for Inspired Living. Number 249, praise is one of the best inexpensive gifts we can shower on others. Catch someone doing something right. Number 250, if I have any regrets at the end of my life, I want them to be for the things I did do, not those that I didn't. Number 251, limitations are nothing more than artificial boundaries that we create to feel safe. Remember, you can do anything. Number 252, wake with gratitude, work with joy, live with integrity, play with gusto, and insomnia will never be a problem. Number 253, you don't have the ability to change the wind, but you get to choose how to trim your sails. Number 254, never, ever give up on your dreams. Never, ever. Number 255, it is your attitude that will determine your altitude in life. Confidence and optimism will take you to the top of the mountain. Number 256, we have a finite amount of time, so the more we worry, the less time we have to dream. For me, I think I'd rather dream. Number 257, the most important person to love, is you. Once you do that, it's easier to love everyone else. Number 258, for the next hour disconnect. Rather than being available to the world, realize that you are the world. Number 259, happiness is something that happens from a choice within, rather than from circumstance outside of ourselves. Number 260, nothing eliminates pain and difficulty in our life faster than a greater purpose. Number 261, dream incessantly, believe completely, act daily, risk intuitively, celebrate continually. 2365 Daily Quotes for Inspired Living. Number 262, Kindness and love will conquer fear and illusion any day. Number 263, May peace and understanding be yours in this moment. Number 264, Nothing is greater than love. Spread some today. Number 265, For every thought you have today, unseen forces will line up to make it happen for you, so, think good thoughts. Number 266, A positive attitude can overcome a negative situation. Number 267, Do something special to inspire someone else today, and chances are, it will touch your life too. Number 268, For all things, for all reasons, express your gratitude. Number 269, Miracles first show up as baby steps of possibility. Number 270, When we learn to label challenging situations or problems as fascinating rather than frustrating, something shifts within that allows the solution to reveal itself. Number 271, Every day, if we find someone who's having a bad day and send them some love, we just might change the world. Number 272, When you're able to look at the world as cooperative rather than competitive, everything changes and there is enough for everyone. Number 273, Worst things that ever happen to us are the stories we tell ourselves. Misery comes only from believing our thinking. Number 274, Believe that you can do it, for when you believe, doors will open unto you. Number 275, When you feel sad or stuck, remember your life can change in the flash of a moment, and perhaps that moment is now. 365 Daily Quotes for Inspired Living. Number 276, EGI of oneself is the greatest thing we can give. Be present. Number 277, Send a blessing today to the person in your life who you'd least want to bless and see what happens. Love is always the answer. Number 278, If you are worthy of the breath of life, you are worthy of all else. Let it in. Number 279, When we think with no limits, we allow God to show us a bigger, better dream of possibility. Number 280, Live simply, love deeply, and know your own inner wisdom. Number 281, The only thing that makes a good day different from a bad day, is simply our perception. Number 282, Follow your heart, not your fears. Fear is nothing more than false evidence appearing real. Number 283, To achieve success, attitude is more important than assets, aptitude, age, or anything else. Number 284, Just the fear of failure, not failure itself, has the ability to stop greatness in its tracks. Number 285, It's easy to show kindness and love others when you first love yourself. Number 286, Live your life with no regrets. Bless the past and let it go. Number 287, Sometimes we forget who we are. Remember, you are an infinite being with unlimited possibility. Number 288, Our strength and resilience are always in direct proportion to our level of adversity. Number 289, Fear of the storm is always worse than the storm itself. Number 290, If you must follow something rather than lead, let it be your own bliss. Number 291, Dream big and make life fun. Do something outrageous each day. 365 Daily Quotes for Inspired Living. Number 292, Your life will improve exponentially when you improve the life of another. Number 293, Believing that you lack abundance is like a fish believing that it lacks water. You are abundance. Number 294, As we grow, the obstacles in our path shrink in proportion, so that what once appeared as a boulder becomes a mere stepping stone. Number 295, Follow your passion, listen to your dreams, believe in yourself, and all good things will come your way. Number 296, The fastest way to get from fear to abundance is by a shortcut called gratitude. Number 297, rather than asking, what's the worst that could happen, instead, ask yourself, what's the best that could happen? Number 298, focus on what you want, not what you don't want. Simple, easy. Number 299, when everything we do comes from a place of love rather than fear, we will have achieved peace on earth. Number 300, your taking a deep breath doesn't diminish my air supply any more than your success prevents mine. We are abundance. Number 301, we stumble, we fall, we get back up again. Guess which part is the most important? Number 302, change happens first in our mind, then in our world. Believe it and then you'll see it. Number 303, E-world needs you to live out your dream, as no one can sing your song or dance your dance quite like you can. Number 304, think good thoughts. Do good things. Be good to the world and to yourself. Easy. Number 305, the fact that we share the same fears should unite us, not divide us. 365 daily quotes for inspired living. Number 306, in the midst of constant change, the one thing that remains the same is the essence of who we are and the greater sense of knowing found deep within ourselves. Number 307, bless your enemies. Forgive others and yourself. You can't swim with an anchor tied to your feet. Number 308, luck isn't something that happens to you, it's something you create. Number 309, it's not about who gets there first, but who's had the most fun on the journey. Number 310, on this beautiful day, take time to be grateful, for from that alone, the magic of the universe will be revealed to you. Number 311, where focus goes, energy flows. Number 312, when you can look a coming storm in the face without fear, you have mastered your life. Number 313, you touch everyone you interact with in either a positive or negative way. Make it positive. Number 314, no matter what it might feel like, know that you are never alone. Number 315, sometimes we need to be reminded that we are spiritual beings having a human experience. Number 316, it helps to know that as we go through painful times, we get to choose how to respond to them. Number 317, when our burning desire for success is greater than our deepest fear of failure, we have the power to create anything in our life. Number 318, what's happening outside of you is irrelevant compared to what's happening inside. Number 319, dream incessantly, believe completely, act daily, celebrate continually. Number 320, circumstances can't eat whether or not you are happy, when your happiness is not dependent upon a reason. 365 daily quotes for inspired living. Number 321, collaboration is the new black. Competition only exists in our minds. There's plenty for all of us. Number 322, you are the painter of the masterpiece called life, and your attitude is the brush. Number 323, if you can see the life of your dreams, it tends to show up even faster. Dream it. See it. Live it. Number 324, when you can be happy right now, in spite of problems, you'll find they disappear much more quickly. Number 325, seek knowledge while knowing that all the answers to all the questions are already inside of you. Number 326, in retrospect, some of the greatest blessings in my life have come from adversity. Number 327, if we could stand in another's shoes, we wouldn't be so quick to judge one another ever again. Number 328, rather than rowing your own boat, take action by setting your sails and stepping into the wind. Sail on. Number 329, what if all your problems could be solved by one tiny idea? The answer is within. Pay attention and listen. Number 330, life is like a trapeze, you have to let go of one place to get to another. Swing, release, catch, swing, release, catch. Number 331, ink without boundaries. Dream without limitations. Number 332, be grateful, for from gratitude alone the magic of the universe will be revealed to you. Number 333, the greatest GI you can ever give to others is the GI of just being you. Number 334, inspire others to be their best by first being your best. Number 335, meditate and pray on understanding, not outcome, knowing there is blessing in everything. 25 365 daily quotes for inspired living. Number 336, rather than seeking gratification, which is fleeting, create lasting fulfillment instead. Number 337, enjoy the journey, knowing that what appears to be the shortest path isn't always the best route. Number 338, nutritional choices we make today will directly eke the health of our bodies tomorrow. Choose wisely. Number 339, you'll always find what you're looking for, either the good or the bad, in any situation, but finding the good is more fun. Number 340, adversity is but an opportunity, not an excuse. Number 341, be present and remember to breathe. Number 342, you are a spiritual being enjoying a human experience, part of something so much greater that will live forever. Number 343, if you're going to take the time to do it right the first time. Number 344, never allow the size of your dreams to be limited by what someone else thinks is possible. Number 345, nature is the universe's way of making sure we remember the magnificence of who we really are. Number 346, when we focus on faith rather than fear, anything becomes possible. Number 347, we have a choice to make time for silence to hear God's whisper, or wait for Him to get our attention with a sledgehammer. Number 348, if your dreams don't scare you just a little bit, you're not playing big enough in the world. Number 349, when we give without being asked, miracles happen. Number 350, carrying yesterday's problems with you today is like trying to fly while carrying a sack of rocks. 26 365 daily quotes for inspired living. Number 351, not making a choice is making a choice and it's not always the best one. Number 352, don't wait until you lose something to realize how much you have to be grateful for in this moment. Number 353, whether we tell ourselves life is hard or life is easy, we'll be right. Number 354, miracles can happen from just sending wishes of loving kindness to another. Number 355, to believe is to know in your heart that it's already done. Number 356, rather than telling others how to live their life, lovingly show them by example. Number 357, never let the quality of the music determine the quality of the dance. Number 358, many proudly say they don't fear death, yet live their lives as if they fear living. Number 359, when we realize we only have 86,400 seconds each day and when they're gone, it makes us more conscious of the value of time. Number 360, sometimes the lesson is in asking the question, not in finding the answer. Number 361, money doesn't change people, but rather, only amplifies that which a person already is. Number 362, the older we get, the greater importance we place on time spent with loved ones. Number 363, negative people present us with an expedited personal growth opportunity. Number 364, our light shines the brightest when we are working on something bigger than ourselves. Number 365, adversity is but a gentle hand to shape you into something greater. 27 365 Daily Quotes for Inspired Living. Author's notes: it is my sincere hope that this book of inspiration helps you to remember how incredible you really are. Read it when you're down and need a pick-me-up, or when you're flying and want to go just a little bit higher. Either way, these words are given as a guide to you to help you on your journey. I would like to express my gratitude for some of the important people without whom my work would not be possible. First, to our family of luminaries at InspireMeToday.com, some of the most inspirational people in the world. Thank you for sharing your brilliance and wisdom with us. You inspire me every day to play bigger, go deeper, and be more. Second, to Mariel, one of our brightest lights, thank you for taking the time to write the foreword for this book. I greatly appreciate your kind words and loving support of the work of InspireMeToday.com and of me personally. Your inspiration changes lives, and I'm grateful for your friendship. Last but not least, my sincere thanks to Kristen and Max, for without you InspireMeToday.com wouldn't exist. Thank you. To the members of our InspireMeToday.com community and tribe through Twitter and Facebook, this inspiration is for you. Each day through our online interactions you share a part of your day with me, and for that I am grateful. Last but not least, to you who are reading this, thank you. May you always remember that you are an infinite being with unlimited potential. Go make your life rock. With love, gratitude, and hugs, Gail. 28 365 Daily Quotes for Inspired Living. About Gail Lynn Goodwin. Gail Lynn Goodwin is the founder of InspireMeToday.com, bringing the best inspiration to the world. Gail has interviewed many well-known names including Sir Richard Branson, Guy Laliberte, Seth Godin, Tony Hsieh, Gary Vaynerchuk, Michael Gerber, Marcy Shimo, Jack Canfield, John Burgo, John Vroman, and hundreds more. Prior to InspireMeToday.com, and years in the commercial real estate business, Gail spent several years as manager for her recording artist daughter, Carly, as a result of the success of their co-penned song, Baby Come Back Home. Gail accompanied her daughter to bases around the world, where Carly performed for our troops. Gail and Carly created the world's longest letter of love and support and delivered the 18-mile-long scroll on a month-long tour of Iraq and the Persian Gulf in 2006. Gail is a published author and a regular writer for the Huffington Post. She offers mentoring and mastermind services to clients worldwide from her home in Whitefish, Montana. 29 Copyright 2013 1 Inspire Me Today, LLC. 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 LLC.